This page is all about specials. You can put the name of the class here and then either write about what you did or take a picture of something you made, or you can put a picture from the internet. Maybe your teacher already chose what name or what class, or maybe it's blank. If it's blank, you can choose. So you click and the text box appears. At my school, the specials are music, art, PE, and we also have technology or computer lab. So I'm going to write in art, and then I'll select that, make it a little bigger. I can change the font. Let's do this one. I can make it bold. I can make it yellow and then put a black outline. If I want it centered, select it and center align it. Pretty cool. And now here I would write about what I did, or if I have a picture of something I did, I can add that in too. If your teacher shared pictures with you on Google Drive, click on the mountain and click Drive. You'll go to Shared with Me and find the folder that your teacher made for you, and then pick the photos you want. If your teacher didn't share photos with you, that is perfectly fine. You can take a picture of yourself right now. So if you have a piece of artwork in your house from art class, go grab it and then click here, and you can take a picture of yourself using your webcam. Another thing you can do is think about, what did I learn in art? Did we do landscapes, or did we draw polar bears? At my school, we did a project with polar bears. So maybe I'll search the web and put polar bear painting in there, because I can put photos that represent what I did too, even if it's not exactly my artwork. This is a representation that reminds me of what I did. And maybe I'll type a little. We made a 3D landscape with snow and polar bears, and it was really fun. So you can write in this box, you can put pictures in this box, you can take a photo, um, whatever you prefer, so that you can capture and remember something you did in specials.